Hello. So today's lesson will be on 2D representations of 3D shapes, and that's page 226 to 227 in the Caboodle book. Okay, as you can see in front of you there, I've got three 3D shapes. I wonder if you know what they are. They're just things that I've got around the house. So clearly we've got a pencil sharpener. This here is a piece of a puzzle. And this here is a can of finest Heinz hoops. What we're going to think about is the different faces and the different views we get when we look at 3D shapes. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to consider just the pencil sharpener. So we'll remove these two. So we've got a pencil sharpener, and what we have is it's currently being viewed from above, a plan view. Can you see that it's almost just a simple shape? I'm not going to try an amazing picture of it. I'm just going to draw what the plan view would look like. So the plan view is a rectangle. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle to represent the plan view. So I'm obviously drawing that now. Just it in. So when we look from above, obviously there's a pencil sharpener bits there. We can see this rectangle. So that is the plan view. When we look at a different view from the side, we can look at it from this angle. That would be the side. I suppose we could look at it from this angle here, which is a slightly more interesting shape. So I'm going to look at it from this. This is a side view of our pencil sharpener. And can you see we've got a shape here which has four sides. One pair of parallel sides. It's a four-sided shape. I wonder if you know what the name of that shape is. It is, of course, a trapezium. So hopefully you got that right. Okay, so now I'm going to draw this side view just here. So the side view for my pencil sharpener is a trapezium. If we look at the different side view, obviously we get another four-sided shape there, which is just another rectangle. So that could also be a side view or a front view. Okay, on to the next shape. So the next shape that I'm going to use was the can of hoops. So when we look at this shape, and we look from above, we can see that the plan view is very much a very round shape. Hopefully you know the name of the shape. It is a circle. Now this time I'm going to use the tin to help me draw that plan view. So I'm just going to draw around the tin. There. So we've got this circle, which is a plan view. And then we get a side view. Now when you look at it on its side, if you look directly down, you get a straight bit there, and a straight bit there, and you get seemingly two straight bits there. So what it actually makes is a rectangle. So I'm going to draw that just now. So it's quite deep. There we go, we have this plan view and this side view of our can of hoops. Now what name do we give this 3D shape? So obviously we've got these circular ends and we've got this straight bit here. What name of the 3D shape? This is a cylinder. So that there is a cylinder, just a nicely named shape. The third shape I showed you earlier on was this one, a little puzzle piece. Now when we look at this one from above, we have like a rectangle there and a square on it. So it's like a rectangle and a square. Now I'm just going to draw that one up here. So there's my plan view. And then if you look at it from this way, we get a side view, and again we've got a shape that comes up here and there. So when I draw that out, it will also look like a rectangle and a square. So I'm just going to draw that now. So we've got our two views, one plan view, one side view. If we look at it from there, a different view, maybe a front view we call that, can you see how that would have just three little squares, just like so. So this time I'm drawing a front view as well. So there we go, that's how we draw 2D representations of 3D shapes. So we look at the sides, and we look to see what's on top, and then we draw them on. That should be enough to let you have a go at some of the questions on 3D shapes on page 226 and 227. And then we can